Hey, what's up, guys? These MTG Gatherers here for round 3, 4, and 5.
And right now we're doing sideboards, and for my main board, I took out 2 kill shots because, they're a removal spell. I have 25 other ones. I don't think it's that big of a deal. And I brought in 2 Crater Claw. That's the only thing in my sideboard that I think is going to be that relevant. I could bring in Zurgo, but Zurgo can't block, so... But there's a good thing with Zurgo and End Hostilities where I board wipe and then play Zurgo, or Zurgo then board wipe. But anyways, yep, I just brought these in to speed up the game. Okay, I'm done.
For my sideboard, I brought in 4 Higher of the Wilds and 2 Destructive Revelry. Higher of the Wild gets through Nick's face for him because I'm sure he wants to gain that life rather than kill it with Higher of the Wilds because Higher of the Wilds would survive. It's a 0
Kill
5.
spells.
Because you're gonna have a kill spell. Yeah. Okay, then I got 2 Destructive Revelries to also get rid of those and Banishing Lights. And I took out Lightning Strike, Magma Jet, 2 Key Warriors Followers, and
They won
2
game 1
Titan
though.
Yes, they did. They did win game 1 because yeah, pretty good card. I like it.
I love getting pinned down by Mind Swipe. What you gonna do though, man? What you gonna do?
You don't do.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
Actually, now that I think about it, you should have just conceded at the Steam, Andre. Because you did have a Nick's face for him.
Yeah.
At the time, didn't you?
Yeah, and I never concede games unless they get mana screwed for 5 turns straight. 4 actually.
Yeah, because I had Sylvan Carrot into a one.
No, I don't care about your board state. I'm gonna remove those cards out of the...
Oh, that'd be a good idea.
What's this?
That's my sideboard, I think. The sideboards with the lands?
Doesn't matter.
I know, it's just...
Okay, so game 3, guys. I got my cards.
I'm ready for cuts. Are you ready for cuts?
Almost.
We're not cutting you guys, just so you know.
Shut up, Tyler.
Cutting him.
Cutting him? Literally? No.
Okay, ow.
Okay.
You guys can't tell already, he's by his hands size
Much
compared to my
bigger than
size.
him. Much bigger.
Much bigger than me.
For instance, I'm 6 foot. He's 5'3".
5'3".
I'm 190 pounds. He's like
102.
83 pounds.
102. That's what I was in gym. 102, baby. Getting there.
Yep. He's a cross-country runner. I'm not. I will keep.
Well, this is a bad hand. Sagging Mauler, Mind Swipe, Charioted, Revelry, Island.
Yep.
Oh, I would have got there.
Nah, not really. Oh yeah, I guess Carroted. Okay, well I'm gonna keep my hand. For this reason. Those 2. Oh, I guess so. That one.
I don't like mulliganing. Do you guys like mulliganing?
Quit looking. And that one. And then that. Seems kind of good.
Broken.
And I'll play first, and of course you'll draw 6.
Yep, I know how to mulligan.
Mm-hmm. Sure. Are you
I'll
keeping?
Yep.
I will gain life. Go ahead. With the Orzhov one.
Draw a card. Broken card.
Am I good then?
Yeah, I'm getting...
Okay, he's getting a land, so I assumed it was my go. And then I will play a Urborg, so everything's a swamp. And then pass turn.
Cuts.
Yes.
While he's cutting, I'll show you guys my hand. This is a keepable hand. Ooh, that's our draw. I think we actually need it at this time. 21. Good.
Okay, my go is another, and I will play it. 22.
Next piece, man.
Orzhov. No, you're good. I'll say either Orzhov, Rakdos, or Boros, and that's the gain life land. So, yeah, hopefully soon we will get the cameras behind us so we can actually, so you can see our hands better, so we don't have to actually show them to you. And Again, sorry about the quality. I don't believe it's too bad, but we should be getting a camera on it as soon as we get about $100. You know, kind of a problem.
I have a camera and a tripod. They just go ahead.
That's an interesting draw, but I will light it.
That's a good card.
Here we go. I played a Plains, by the way.
Draw.
Before I played
Or
Plains.
draw. Nice look at that card, Luke.
I didn't see it. I saw a golden card. We'll just say that.
Higher of the Wilds.
No.
Go.
I'm still at 22. Nomad output.
It's so ugly.
Yep. That's what she said. Here. I don't think I want to Banishing Light another Higher of the
Draw.
Wilds because it's kind of a waste. Because I can hit Profit, but I don't know. I feel like Higher of the Wilds is actually not that bad of a hit with Banishing Light. But again, I could hit Keranos or Xenagos with it. 2.
Yep.
Down to 20.
Go.
That's kind of bad.
How many lands are you at? 5.
6. I'll play Swamp. Getting a little mastered. Mana available?
3. So I have Dissolve now.
Good point. Greatest Call. That for 5. Higher of the Wilds.
Submersion.
Go for it.
Mana Leak. My turn.
Yep.
Shivan Reef.
Yeah.
The one I actually have because the store's poor.
Not necessarily the store, but yeah.
I could have actually gotten the other one while I was there. But he didn't have the other one. I'm poor too, I'll admit it.
Because it's a playable card. It's land. So, counting up for dig through time.
Yep, that's what I'm doing.
Our treasure cruise.
Yep, that's what I'm doing.
I go.
Swing 2.
18.
Go ahead. Why is that, like, way towards you? I don't like that.
Yeah, it's way towards you. That's perfect. Yeah, it's perfect.
No.
Fast turn. Actually, no. I will Banishing Light it.
Response. Response. Steam Artery.
Resolves. Jeez. Okay,
That's
so
a
that's
really good.
What's this? Oh, land.
Bam. Bam.
I don't see how he cuts this properly, though.
I don't either.
Like, I can play around any card. Just they're all freaking instants, not creatures.
I think I could have picked that.
You cutting it like that?
Yeah.
Graveyard. Snap. Snapping.
I think I could. You guys can comment whether or not I'm wrong.
I believe that was totally wrong because, yeah, you got dig through time out of it, but those are probably the top, out of the 3 out of the top 5 cards that would be helpful right now. And I know he runs 2 of each of those, so I know there's only, plus, so he only has 3 counters left in his deck. And I kind of
Think Xenagos.
go for it.
+1, get a 2/2.
I'll lightning strike.
Swing 2 at you.
Yeah.
Go. I wanted to do that to put him on a clock.
16.
I mean, obviously he has a removal spell, but I do like him sending a removal spell on my 2/2 token
17.
rather than another bomb that I might get with my treasure cruise that being those I have.
And
Or dig through, my bad. I always get the 2 mixed up.
here you go.
Untap.
6.
Draw.
I have 7 mana.
6 mana. Swing 2.
15.
Go. It's all of the cards except for 2 in my hand are instants. I like instants, don't you guys? Yeah.
Then I will play Gain of Life. 16. Go ahead.
Your turn 9 at you?
10, 12. I mean, 14.
Square 2. Bottom.
Bottom, or just bottom? And this is my hand. I really don't want to use this just on a token, and I don't want to use that. Or I can, I guess, kind of use that just to stall it out a little bit. But
2 more.
for dig.
No. 4. I have to actually lose a life, so I gotta play 1. For another Magnet.
I gotcha.
Scribe 2. Those are some pretty good spicy cards. I actually don't feel like I want this one. Top, bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Doesn't really matter. Dig 3 time.
See why dig's better? It doesn't really matter why you magma jetted.
2, 3, 4,
I don't agree why you magma jetted.
6, 7. Scribes.
But you're scrying 7. See my point?
So this is my thing. It's not too good actually, but I think I'm taking this one and this one. I don't know if you guys would agree or not.
But honestly, I don't think it's that good.
Take the jump.
No magma jetting before that, because you know you're scrying 7 essentially, 9 I guess, but it's not really worth it in my opinion.
Yep.
But you know, it's just my opinion.
Untap, upkeep. Draw. But I also did want to have other cards in my grave.
I know, for Treasure Cruise, but
just in case I got it off with Digby time. Because
again, saving those for next fleece ram are also very is a very good idea here.
I think I do just fire that off. Oh. Yeah, we'll do it because he only has.
Oh gosh. Oh shit.
He only has 4. He has 5 removal spells for it. Go ahead. If he has that, that'd be just unfortunate. Yep.
And then I will. Let's see. I'll pass turn.
Untap. Trigger.
I'll
Take 3.
Yep. 10 and 9. Oops. Where the 9 is. There it is. God, bang bang stuff in my head. So annoying.
Carried.
Go for it. I go.
Go.
Lols, you forgot about your token.
Oh, I did forget about my token.
Okay, life.
I'm a scrub.
I'm at 10.
You're that guys coming from the worst. I'm a scrub.
And then I'll end the hostilities. And I'll pass that turn.
What do you got?
10.
Why?
I'm thinking.
Trigger.
I know, I'm thinking. Yeah, sure, I'll keep it. Down to 7. I can still respond to the trigger path.
Yeah, I know, but you still take the damage. I was just saying.
That's not true. I can deflecting palm it.
Oh, that is true.
Yeah. Come on, other end. I know you're in there. I know I should have saved those banished lights for Karanos.
Go. Oh, yeah, I forgot you already played those, so now you only have 3 removal spells.
That may get me there.
Assuming that's the other end.
See.
Wait, this still has summoning sickness, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I figured.
Yep.
So I can't play 2 counters in
1,
mission.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see.
I was about that managed over there because, you know,
Yeah.
The fluffy palms of thing.
I'll Magajite you for 2.
19. Utter and utter end.
I don't know if that was good or not.
Was it utter end, utter end?
No, I mean,
Jetting me?
yeah, you still take 2, but I mean, I feel like I can win with you, so I guess I'll keep.
I don't see how you win with anything.
Here go.
I think it's more of you not winning. Trigger.
Oh,
Trigger.
my bad.
Draw a card.
I will show.
Oh yeah.
This is what I have, but I feel like I can do the good thing to
Bivouac.
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 My go. It'll all be very placed whether or not he draws and kills me that way.
Pay 3 mana.
Mm-hmm.
Exile my grave for Treasure Cruise.
Yeah, go for it. Da-da-da-da-da. Do you like Dig Through Time or Treasure Cruise better? From playing so far.
And it's kind of split between them both. They're both good in different situations.
Give you that. My go.
Carrington.
Sure. My go. Done. My go then. Okay. Drop. That's turn.
Lightning strike you.
Yeah. Down to 4.
On tap. Takes 3.
What was it?
Second one.
Down to 1. Yeah. Proceed. Wait. I don't know how should I do this?
You're up.
Actually, I will Mardu charm you to duress you. Are you responding? I'll duress you.
Mind sweat for 1.
In response, what a fucking bomb.
Dissolve.
That's good game.
Sure. Well,
Blue beats not blue.
yes.
I've learned that the hard way. Well, thanks for watching, guys.
That's
This has been our little game thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty fun. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks.
See you next time.